Mastering ISO 8178. Only visionary leaders harness operational excellence to revolutionize business processes. Who can utilize operational excellence principles to spearhead a comprehensive business process re-engineering effort that yields tangible improvements in efficiency, productivity, and overall performance? In the pursuit of operational excellence, any organization seeking to undertake a comprehensive business process re-engineering effort can utilize the principles outlined in ISO 8178 to drive tangible improvements in efficiency, productivity, and overall performance. This can be achieved by adopting a structured approach to operational excellence, which involves the systematic identification, design, implementation, and continuous improvement of business processes. The first step in this journey is to establish a clear understanding of the organization's vision, mission, and objectives. This involves defining the organization's purpose, values, and goals, as well as identifying the key performance indicators, KPIs, that will be used to measure success. This foundation is critical, as it provides the context for all subsequent efforts and ensures that everyone in the organization is aligned and working towards the same objectives. Next, the organization should conduct a thorough analysis of its current business processes, identifying areas of inefficiency, waste, and variability. This involves mapping out each process, identifying the key activities involved, and evaluating the effectiveness of each step. This analysis should be data-driven, using metrics such as cycle time, throughput, and defect rate to quantify the performance of each process. Once the current state of the organization's processes has been baselined, the next step is to design and implement improvements. This involves identifying opportunities for process optimization, eliminating non-value-added activities, and streamlining workflows. The organization should also consider the implementation of lean principles, such as just-in-time production, total productive maintenance, and continuous flow, to minimize waste and maximize value. In addition to process improvements, the organization should also focus on developing the skills and capabilities of its employees. This involves providing training and development opportunities, as well as fostering a culture of continuous improvement and empowerment. Employees should be encouraged to identify areas for improvement and propose solutions, and should be recognized and rewarded for their contributions to the organization's improvement efforts. As the organization implements its operational excellence strategy, it is essential to establish a robust system of performance measurement and feedback. This involves tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, such as productivity, quality, and customer satisfaction, and using this data to identify areas for further improvement. The organization should also establish a regular review and evaluation process, to ensure that its operational excellence strategy remains aligned with its overall business objectives. Implementing a comprehensive operational excellence strategy also requires a focus on leadership and organizational design. This involves defining clear roles and responsibilities, establishing effective communication channels, and ensuring that the organization's structure and systems are aligned with its operational excellence goals. The organization's leaders should model the behaviors they expect from others, and should be prepared to challenge assumptions and drive change throughout the organization. In addition to these internal efforts, the organization should also consider benchmarking its performance against that of its competitors and industry peers. This involves identifying best practices, adopting new technologies and methods, and learning from the experiences of others. The organization should also consider partnering with suppliers, customers, and other stakeholders to drive improvements in its value chain. Finally, the organization should recognize that operational excellence is a continuous journey, requiring ongoing effort and commitment. This involves establishing a culture of continuous improvement, where employees are empowered to identify opportunities for improvement and propose solutions. The organization should also allocate resources and budget to support its operational excellence efforts, and should recognize and reward employees for their contributions to the organization's improvement efforts. In conclusion, any organization seeking to undertake a comprehensive business process re-engineering effort can utilize the principles outlined in ISO 8178 to drive tangible improvements in efficiency, productivity, and overall performance. By establishing a clear understanding of the organization's vision, mission, and objectives, analyzing and improving business processes, developing the skills and capabilities of employees, measuring and evaluating performance, focusing on leadership and organizational design, benchmarking performance, and recognizing the continuous nature of operational excellence, organizations can achieve significant improvements in their operations and drive long-term success.